Hey, welcome back. We're currently at the Thor open house in the CrossRoads booth. We're standing in a Zinger 280RB. This is a new floor plan. Take a quick peek. This is kind of traditional kitchen. We've seen this before. Not a whole lot changing there. But where things really pop is back here in this rear bath area. So in this rear bathroom, you see all the space. I can't touch this wall and the back wall at the same time. That's probably about 6.5 feet there. We've got a big stand-in shower, dual vanities, dual medicine cabinets, and the piece de resistance, we have washer dryer prep. We can even remove this shelf and hanging rod and put in 2-piece stackable in here. So lots of space, great floor plan, perfect couples coach, but it will sleep 4 to 6. We're in another Zinger. This is the 340BH, another new floor plan. Don't worry, we've got some on order, so we've got you covered. Triple slide model. We've got a big slide here in the main living space, the big 10 cubic foot fridge that we've been talking about, nice big TV up front with the fireplace, and then as we move back here to the rear, traditional bathroom right here, and then in the rear bunk room, we've got bunks for 4, big slide out, entertainment center for the kids, loads of space. It's a trundle bed down below. So plenty of space for everybody. This one is prepped and wired and includes the second AC. Now you need to check out that front bedroom. Tell me what you think. Once again, washer dryer prep up here in this front bedroom this time. 2-piece stackable, big wardrobe, king bed on the slide. If you have any questions or comments about this, leave them below for us. See you next time.